So if you were my friend and you wanted to join this program and you're not sure, I would tell you my experience, what I've experienced from it, and how it has changed me. And I learned a lot of stuff through masonry, carpentry, electrical, the field right there, so it's been a good experience.
All of the managers that I've engaged to be part of this process have taken a personal ownership in it. Me, myself, I didn't have a lot of means from growing up, so if I hadn't had a mentor program in place, I couldn't have got where I am today.
Well, this is going to prepare me for the future, and I can put what I learned into my resume so that I can get a good enough job where I could be an architect or I could be a carpenter.
We're making sure that they have a pathway to get through by having all of the job skills and qualifications that they're going to need to be successful in our business.
Giving young people an opportunity and having the right mentors and creating the right positive culture, I think that my hope is that Requity in some fashion, some way helps to provide that.